We all know that RVing comes with its share of adventures and challenges, but what about the unspoken guidelines that make campground life more enjoyable for everyone? From respecting your neighbors to managing noise and lights, these tips will transform your RV experience. So let's get rolling. Camping is all about community, and nothing defines that community better than respecting quiet hours. From 10 p.m. to 8 a.m., campgrounds transform into sanctuaries of peace, where every traveler deserves uninterrupted rest. Imagine sound as a sneaky ninja in the great outdoors. It travels farther and louder than you might expect. A gentle car door close can sound like a thunderclap, and a casual conversation might feel like a megaphone to your sleeping neighbors. The secret to being an epic camping neighbor? Mindfulness. Close your RV doors softly, use Bluetooth earphones for late-night entertainment, and speak in hushed tones that barely ripple the night's calm. Teach kids to be sound stealth champions, moving and communicating with considerate whispers. Plan any potentially noisy activities well before quiet hours begin. Setting up gear, organizing your campsite, or having animated conversations should happen when the campground is still buzzing with daytime energy. Think of quiet hours as an unwritten social contract. Every camper wants the same thing: a chance to relax, recharge, and wake up ready for another day of outdoor adventures. Your small acts of consideration create a ripple effect of tranquility that makes camping magical. So be the neighbor everyone appreciates, the one who understands that in the world of camping, respect is the most valuable resource. Keep it down, keep it kind, and everyone wins. Your campsite is more than just a patch of ground. It's your home away from home, complete with unspoken rules and neighborly vibes. Think of it like a friendly apartment complex, but with more trees and fewer walls. Boundaries are your best friend. Use portable ground markers to create a clear, "this is my space" zone that's as visible as a welcome mat. Position your RV and gear like you're playing a strategic game of outdoor Tetris. Thoughtful placement means happy neighbors and a smoother camping experience. Create natural privacy buffers with your outdoor furniture. It's like building an invisible fence that says, "Cozy space ahead, but respect the line," without being unwelcoming. Late night arrivals, you're the ninja of the campground. Arrive like a whisper. Minimal lights, quiet movements, and zero dramatic gear unpacking. Your fellow campers will silently thank you with peaceful sleep and appreciative nods in the morning. Think of your campsite setup as a delicate dance of personal space and community respect. Every carefully placed chair, every hushed conversation is a small act of camping kindness. Be the camper who makes everyone else think, "Wow, they've got this camping thing down to an art." Considerate, cool, and completely in sync with the campground's rhythm. The campground is a delicate social ecosystem where every step tells a story, and each action contributes to the overall harmony of the community. Your walking choices aren't just about getting from point A to point B. They're a silent conversation about respect, community, and camping karma. Rule number 1. Never walk through someone's campsite. Think of each campsite as an invisible living room. Would you cut through a stranger's living room? Nope. Always walk around, even if the site looks empty. Those RV walls might hide sleeping travelers or folks enjoying a quiet moment. Stick to designated pathways like they're your personal VIP travel lanes. These routes aren't just random trails, they're carefully designed highways of camping courtesy. They keep foot traffic smooth, respect personal spaces, and make everyone's camping experience a little more zen. Parents, this is your moment to shine. Teach your kids the sacred art of campground navigation. Make it a fun game. Who can walk around campsites like a ninja of respect? Bonus points for quiet, considerate movement. Every pathway choice is a tiny declaration. I care about my fellow campers. Experienced travelers move with the grace of a woodland creature, purposeful, quiet, and totally considerate. When in doubt, take the long way around. Your extra steps speak volumes about your camping etiquette. It's not just about walking, it's about creating a community where everyone feels comfortable, respected, and free to enjoy their outdoor adventure. Campground navigation, where every step is a silent high five to your fellow travelers. Camping isn't just about adventure, it's about being a superhero for the environment. Your trash management skills are your secret weapon in protecting the great outdoors. Think of waste disposal like a mission. Multiple bags are your toolkit. Separate your recyclables, compostable, and general trash like you're organizing a covert environmental rescue operation. Create a waste station at your campsite that would make a recycling center proud. Fire pit cleanup? You're not just cleaning, you're preparing a welcome gift for the next campers. Leave it so spotless that future travelers will whisper, "Wow, eco-warriors were here." Pack a mini rake or dustpan and become the cleanup ninja of the campground. Wildlife doesn't need unexpected gifts from humans. That tiny bottle cap or forgotten wrapper could be a life-threatening hazard for animals. Every piece of trash you properly dispose of is like a tiny love letter to nature. Pro tip for parents: turn trash management into an exciting game for kids. Eco Ranger Challenge. Who can collect the most micro trash? Who can sort waste fastest? You're not just cleaning. You're raising the next generation of environmental guardians. Remember, you're not just a camper, you're a nature's guardian. Each careful disposal, each picked up piece of litter is a pledge to preserve these incredible spaces. Your trash management isn't just about cleanliness, it's about respect, protection, and love for the wild. Leave no trace, leave only memories, and let the wilderness breathe a little easier because you were there. Bringing your four-legged buddy on a camping trip? Congratulations. You're about to embark on an adventure that requires the diplomacy skills of a United Nations ambassador and the supervision of a helicopter parent. Leash is law in the campground wilderness. Think of it as your pet's VIP pass to social interaction. No matter how well-behaved your furry friend is, a secure leash is your ticket to keeping everyone, humans and animals, comfortable and safe. Waste bags are your new best friend. Be that responsible pet parent who's always prepared, cleaning up faster than a magic trick. Your fellow campers will silently bow in respect to your swift cleanup skills. Create a pet zone in your campsite that's like a 5-star animal resort. A contained, comfortable space that says, "This is my pet's personal kingdom, and it's staying right here." Boundaries are beautiful, for pets and humans alike. Training isn't just about tricks. It's about creating a camping companion who's cooler than a cucumber. Teach your pet to be the Zen master of the campground, calm around strangers, quiet during quiet hours, and basically the model citizen of the animal world. Not everyone is a pet person. Some travelers might have allergies, fears, or just prefer their nature experience pet-free. Your job? Be the ultimate pet diplomacy expert. Manage your animal with the precision of a Secret Service agent protecting a VIP. Pets at the campground aren't just travelers. They're ambassadors of responsible, considerate adventuring. Keep them hydrated, shaded, and never left alone. Your furry friend can turn heads for all the right reasons, being the most well-behaved camper on the site. Camping with pets, where good behavior meets wild adventure. Campground driving isn't a race. It's more like a carefully choreographed dance where every move protects lives. Think of your RV as a giant rolling guardian, and your speedometer as the guardian's heartbeat. 7.5 to 10 miles per hour might sound slower than a sleepy tortoise, but it's the magic number that keeps everyone safe. This isn't just a speed limit, it's your personal pledge to protect the tiny humans, furry friends, and unexpected wildlife that call the campground home. Imagine your RV has spider sense. 360-degree visual scanning is your superpower. Kids chasing balls, pets playing hide and seek, wildlife doing their wild thing, you see it all. Your slow speed gives you that split-second superhero reaction time. Use your vehicle's lowest gear like it's a safety cocoon. Smooth, controlled, almost whispering across the campground. Your goal? Move so gently that people barely notice you're moving. Remember, an RV isn't a sports car. It's more like a gentle giant that needs extra time to stop. Those few extra seconds of slow driving, they're your insurance policy against unexpected surprises. Campground driving is a skill that says, "I care about this community." Every careful mile proves you're not just a traveler, but a guardian of shared spaces. Slow down, tune in, and become the hero of campground safety. Drive like everyone you love is walking right beside you. Think of campground lighting as your personal mood setter, a delicate art that's part safety, part courtesy, and totally cool. Your lights aren't just about seeing, they're about creating harmony in the outdoor community. Modern RV lighting is like ninja technology for nighttime comfort. Downward-facing lights are your secret weapon. They illuminate your space without turning the campground into a makeshift stadium. Imagine lighting that whispers instead of shouting. Motion sensors are the ninjas of responsible lighting. They activate only when needed, keeping your campsite functional without being that one bright spot that makes everyone else squint. It's like having a lighting butler who knows exactly when to step in and when to fade away. Warm spectrum lights are your friend. Think cozy campfire glow, not interrogation room brightness. These gentle illuminations create an atmosphere that says, "Welcome to my peaceful corner of the world," without disturbing your neighbor's stargazing or sleep. Your lighting choices matter. Soft, minimal lighting respects the natural rhythms of the creatures sharing your campground. You're not just a camper, you're an environmental steward with a dimmer switch. Experienced campers know that great lighting is about subtlety. It's a silent conversation that says, I care about everyone's experience. Each carefully placed, softly glowing light is like a gentle hello to your fellow travelers. Light up your campsite like you're painting with moonbeams, functional, respectful, and oh so cool. Generators are the double-edged swords of RV life, essential for comfort, but potentially notorious for disrupting the zen of camping. Think of your generator as a high-maintenance guest that needs strict ground rules. Noise reduction is your new best friend. Modern generators can be so quiet, they're basically the ninja warriors of electrical power. Look for models that whisper instead of roar and position them like a strategic chess piece, far from neighbors, hidden behind natural sound barriers. Campground generator hours are sacred law. Running a generator outside designated times? That's basically campground crime. Respect the schedule like it's a holy text of outdoor harmony. Most campgrounds allow generator use during daylight hours, giving you plenty of time to juice up your devices. Diversify your power portfolio. Solar panels and battery systems are the cool kids of camping energy. They're silent, eco-friendly, and make you look like a technical genius. Reduce generator reliance and watch your camping street cred skyrocket. Know your energy appetite. Understanding exactly how much power you need is like being a power consumption sommelier. Plan, conserve, and use generators strategically. Every minute you don't run that generator is a love letter to your fellow campers. Think of generator management as your contribution to campground diplomacy. You're not just powering your RV, you're maintaining the delicate ecosystem of shared outdoor living. Power up responsibly, camp brilliantly. Shared water and waste facilities are the unsung lifelines of any campground. Delicate systems that demand the precision of a surgeon and the care of an environmental guardian. Your interactions with these critical resources are more than routine maintenance. They're a profound act of community stewardship. Think of shared facilities like a delicate ecosystem that needs your protection. Your cleaning kit? It's not just supplies, it's your environmental defense arsenal. RV-specific cleaning products are your secret weapons against potential contamination. Treat water systems like they're more precious than your smartphone. Separate hoses for black and fresh water aren't just a suggestion, they're your first line of defense against cross-contamination. One mixed hose could turn your campground into a bacterial battlefield. Chemical awareness is your superpower. Not all cleaning agents are created equal. Using the wrong product is like introducing a foreign invader to a pristine ecosystem. Be the scientist of cleanliness, understanding exactly what touches these critical systems. Water conservation isn't just a buzzword, it's your camping mission. Fix that tiny leak like you're plugging a critical hole in a spacecraft. Leave shared facilities so clean that the next camper might wonder if you're actually a professional cleaning ninja. Your goal? Make maintenance look like an art form. Each careful rinse, each thoughtful disposal becomes a silent tribute to communal respect. You're not just managing water and waste, you're a guardian of the campground's environmental integrity. Clean like the planet is watching, because, spoiler alert, it is. Imagine the campground as a living, breathing social landscape where connections are as delicate as morning dew. Your social superpower? The ability to read the room, or in this case, the entire campground, with the finesse of a diplomatic ninja. Greetings are your secret handshake of the wild. A friendly nod, a casual good morning, or a warm smile can be a complete conversation. Think of it like social Morse code, brief, genuine, and never intrusive. Some campers are eager to chat, while others are on a solo mission of solitude. Your job is to read those vibes perfectly. Be the conversation chameleon. Waiting in line for campground amenities? Perfect moment for a light, breezy chat. But remember, not every interaction needs to be a deep dive. Sometimes, a friendly wave is the most respectful connection you can make. Cultural radar on full alert. People bring their own social rule books to the campground. What feels friendly to you might feel overwhelming to someone else. Your mission: create a welcoming atmosphere that's as adaptable as a Swiss Army knife. Kindness is your universal language. A helping hand with someone's gear, a genuine compliment, or simply respecting someone's personal space can create connections deeper than words. You're not just a camper. You're a roving ambassador of the outdoor community. Think of each campground interaction like a beautiful impromptu jazz performance. Sometimes it's a full concert, sometimes it's just a single perfect note. The magic is in knowing the difference, connecting without connecting. That's the campground social art. Nature isn't your playground. It's a living, breathing masterpiece that you're momentarily privileged to witness. Leave No Trace isn't just a rule book. It's a love letter to the planet, written with every careful step and mindful action. Think of yourself as a wilderness secret agent. Your mission? Protect, preserve, and practically vanish without a trace. Every footprint, every moment in nature is an opportunity to be an environmental ninja. Those wildflowers you're tempted to pick, that rock formation that looks cool, admire it from a distance. Your campsite should look like you were never there. Pack out everything, and we mean everything. That tiny wrapper, it's not just one piece of trash. It's a potential ecological disruption. Biodegradable products aren't just a suggestion. They're your environmental passport. Wildlife isn't a petting zoo. Those cute animals, they're not looking for a human restaurant. Feeding them is like writing a bad prescription for their survival. Admire from a distance, respect their space, be the invisible observer, educate without preaching. Your actions speak louder than 1,000 environmental lectures. When fellow campers see you meticulously cleaning, carefully treading, and respecting nature, you're planting seeds of ecological consciousness. You're not just a camper, you're a guardian, a temporary custodian of spaces that have existed long before you and will continue long after. Every mindful choice is a promise to future generations. I was here, but you'd never know it. Leave nothing but footprints, take nothing but memories, kill nothing but time. RV travel isn't just a trip. It's a beautiful dance between personal freedom and community harmony. You're not just a traveler. You're a mobile philosopher navigating life's grand adventure with grace, respect, and a wicked sense of fun. Imagine fun as a delicate souffle. It needs the perfect balance of ingredients. Your campfire laughs, your midnight karaoke, maybe not so much. The secret is enjoying yourself without turning your campsite into a rock concert venue. Flexibility is your superpower. Closed trail, unexpected rain. These aren't obstacles. They're invitations to spontaneous magic. The best memories often sprout from unplanned moments. That detour you didn't expect? It might just become your most epic story. Gratitude is the ultimate travel companion. Every sunrise is a postcard, every unexpected conversation a treasure. You're not just moving through landscapes, you're collecting moments, connecting with strangers, and writing a living, breathing adventure novel. Mechanical issues, weird weather, surprise challenges, these aren't problems. They're plot twists in your epic road story. Approach them like a Zen master meets a detective, curious, calm, and ready to solve the mystery. RV life isn't about the destination. It's about becoming a maestro of adaptability, a curator of experiences, a respectful explorer who leaves each place a little better, a little brighter than you found it. You're not just traveling. You're creating a mobile masterpiece of human connection and adventure. These unwritten rules are more than guidelines. They are the poetry of the open road. Beyond the miles traveled and destinations explored, RV living represents a profound journey of human connection. For more essential rules and tips to elevate your RV adventures, don't miss our next video. Until then, happy and safe travels.